Next we will see. Next to how to view GST reports. Do you know what is GSTR1? What is GSTR2? So what is GSTR3B? Do you know?
Yes,
so how to view GST reports? See, in a tally, once we are prepared GST, once we are prepared invoices means automatically GST reports it is preparing. We no need to prepare anything more. How to view? We know. Display more reports. Here you can click GST reports. Here GSTR1 means sales returns. GSTR1 means it is a sales summary. Total sales values it is showing. GSTR2 means purchase returns. Total purchase values it is showing. GSTR3B means final return. They are called final return. Here our purchase and sales values it is showing. See, period I am clicking. I am changing the period. Okay, here Seema. Here it is showing no outward supplies and inward supplies liable to reverse charge. So this is 3B. Here it is showing our liability values and ITC values. Purchase and sales both values here it is showing. See here first one outward supplies and inward supplies liable to reverse charge we have. This is the total our sales value. This is total tax liability. Tax amount means this is tax liability. Here it is showing. So of the supplies shown in 3.1 above, details of interstate supplies made and unregistered persons, composition taxable person and EON holders. So we are selling to like composition dealers, we are sold goods to unregistered person. No, that unregistered person details here it is showing. This is eligible ITC. ITC means this is purchase tax. This is purchase tax. So on the time of purchase, how much tax we are paid to supplier? On the time, on the time of purchase, how much tax we are paid to supplier? That is called ITC actually. ITC purchase tax, how much we have? 15,232 we have. Now, how to calculate tax liability? Okay, fine. What we are doing actually, see, in particular month, June month, how much purchase is going on in our company? We are recorded purchase invoices. In a June month, how much sales it's going on? We are prepared sales invoices. All bills we are updated now. Debit note, credit notes, all transactions we are updated. Finally, that June month it is completed. At the end of the month, when we require to paying a tax to government, and that time we want to calculate a tax liability. GST tax monthly once we want to pay to government. June month tax before July, June month tax we are paying to July month. So June month tax before July 20th we want to pay to government. Every month 20th before we want to pay. How to calculate taxable value? How to calculate GST tax liability we want to learn. Actually, how to calculate GST tax liability means, before that we want to update all the invoices in a tally or other software also. What you are using some other software, manually you are maintaining book of accounts, or in Excel you are maintaining your calculations, or anyway, first we want to complete that invoicing part. After that, any mistakes is there, we want to correct it. After that, finally we are calculating liability. How we are calculating liability means, what is the formula means for a tax calculation? So sales tax minus our purchase tax. What is the formula for calculating a tax for GST? Purchase tax, sales tax minus our purchase tax. What is the formula for calculating tax liability? So GST tax liability. So equal to sales tax. Sales tax also we are called output tax. Output tax. Sales tax minus of purchase tax. Purchase tax. We are called input tax also. Input tax also. This is our formula, ma. Okay. And the time of sales, how much tax we are received from customers. For example, I have a sales tax amount 20,000 rupees. Purchase tax amount I have a 10,000 rupees. Ma. Now I want to pay tax for 10,000 rupees for this month. Okay. So at the time of sales, how much tax we are getting? 20,000. On the time of purchase, what are the tax rate I paid to supplier? 10,000. So sales tax minus of purchase tax 10,000 we are getting. So how much you want to pay tax liability? So this is tax liability.
10,000.
This much I want to pay. For example, now I have a sales tax. So sales tax I have a 10,000 rupees. Purchase tax I have a 20,000 rupees. Now in this case, we no need to pay tax, ma. We no need to pay. We no need to pay tax. We no need to pay tax to government.
Negative.
Okay.
Because minus 10,000.
Yeah. Yeah. So our sales tax value is less than to purchase tax value. Already more than we are paid no on the time of purchase. So our sales tax value is less than, our sales tax value is less than to purchase tax value. And that time we no need to pay any tax liability to government. You understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
This like we are calculating our tax liability amount. This amount we are paying to government. Now in our tally, in this case, what we are prepared in what's the CPA tally? In this case, now you want to tell me, ma, we want to pay tax now or not?
Yes, ma'am. Because positively.
We want to pay tax, no?
Yes.
See, our output, first one, outward supplies means this is our sales tax, 7,000 we have, ma. Our purchase tax, 13,000, 15,000 we have. We no need to pay tax now, no, ma. See, our purchase tax value is more than sales tax value. We no need to pay tax now, no? Okay, we no need to pay in this case. Now we no need to pay any tax liability to government because already higher value we are paid on the time of purchase. We received less amount from customers. Okay. So I think you understood this one. See, ma, once we are created GST reports, we are prepared all reports. How to export that reports, GST reports, how to export Excel format, how to export that JSNO files we want to learn. So we want to file a GST returns means JSNO files only it is acceptable. In tally frame, once we are created invoices, automatically that JSNO file it is generating. We no need to generate separately. Automatically it is generating JSNO file. We are exporting that one. We are saving JSNO file. After when we require to file GST returns, on the time we are using GST reports. It's possible to exporting Excel format and it's possible to exporting that JSNO file format. So how to do that one? Display more reports. GST reports, GSTR1. So period, which month GST files you want to export? July month reports I want to export now. Enter ma. See here, this is our July month file. I want to export now this one. So in export button, it is showing now ma. In the top of the page, you can press export. Here, e-return ma. You want to select it e-return. Now file format. Do you want to export Excel or JSON file? Anyone you can select it. I want to export now Excel format. Folder path. By default folder path here it is showing. Where do you want to save this file? Otherwise, do you want to change this folder path means it is possible to changing. How it is changing? See, select, specify the path means manually you want to enter which drive, in which folder do you want to save this file. Otherwise, select from drive means in our computer how many drives do you have, it is showing. You can select it. In this drive, in which folder do you want to save, you want to select it. So this is you want to select it. I am saving in this folder only. Just you can give enter. Export HSN SSC summary yes. Export document summary yes. Now see, if you want to change anything here, you can press configure button ma. Otherwise, send you can click it ma. Automatically it is exporting to Excel ma. See, automatically it is export to Excel file. I am sharing a Excel file for you. In a sheet tab, you can see ma. In a sheet tab, bottom of the page, so many tabs it is showing no. See, this is help instructions how to file GST returns. This is B2B invoices ma. B2B means regular dealer to regular dealer, how much you sold, that details here it is showing. So in a tally frame, how many invoices we are prepared, like that it is showing ma. Say that is B2C, how much we sold. This is credit note. Only one credit note we are prepared. This is like export to, we don't have anything. Exempt to. See, exempt also we are prepared. Now HSN summary. HSN summary also it is showing. See, HSN number wise how much we sold it is showing. Documents also it is showing. How many documents total, how many invoices we are prepared. It is showing this list ma. Okay, this file, this is GST reports how to export tally frame to Excel format. Now you can save this file. If you want to send this file for your auditor means you can save this one. You can open your email. You can attach the file. You can send it to your auditor. So now how to export that JSNO file ma? In tally frame, we no need to separately generate JSNO file. Automatically it is generating. See now GSTR1 we are export, you can click it, e-return. Now I am selecting JSNO file format. So export separate files for each section, no need. Enter folder path. File name automatically it is coming. Enter ma. Now it is showing send or configure. Send I am clicking. Automatically that JSNO file it is saved in our computer ma. It is not opening in text file ma. See here, now today is 4/7, time is 3:39 no. Here we have JSNO file no. See, this is our JSNO file. It is saved in our computer. Now when you require to file GST returns, on that time you are using this file, it's possible to filing a GST returns ma. Do you want to send this file to your auditors? Through mail it is possible to sending this file to your auditor ma. Okay, this is how to export GST reports to Tally to Excel, Tally to JSNO file. So this is important thing. When you are working on the time also, do you want to learn how to prepare GST invoices in a Tally file, how to export that reports to so Tally to Excel, Tally to JSNO file. That and all do you want to learn, ma'am? How to view the GST reports? What is GSTR1? What is GSTR2? What is GSTR3? Do you want to learn? So because nowadays, without GST, it's not possible to working, ma'am. That's why. Okay, I think you understood now this one.